Welcome back to another fusion insulation video. Here's a product I've been using for the last year or so. It's a high pressure resistant, highly adhesive synthetic lubricating oil. So why would I use this product? Well, frankly, I use it to spray on my pistons. So when I strip down a piston and clean it and brush off all the congealed and hardened spray foam, I spray my piston with this product. It's a sticky oil. And when you spray it on, it appears quite liquidy like any other oil. But after a few minutes, the liquid starts to solidify. And you're left with a halfway house, a hybrid between a grease and an oil sat on your pistol. So what good is that going to be? There's obviously no moving parts on this pistol. Well, it's when you start spraying after cleaning your gun, the foam will land on the pistol as normal, except now it won't be landing on the metal and bonding to the metal, making it very difficult to clean once you have to strip down your pistol to do work on it. Now it's landing on the congealed oil. And I have found this makes the pistol cleaning much easier. So I use a drill attachment with a bronze wire brush, and the foam just flies off. Now, the only part that won't be protected is the handle, because the physical act of holding the handle will rub off the oil. So that's my review of the Worth HHS 2000 highly adhesive synthetic lubricating oil. I find it a good product. It's one I will pay the money and go out and purchase. And with all these reviews, these are products that I've purchased, spent my own hard-earned money on, and hopefully you will find this information helpful when you come to starting out on your first spray foam journey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.